Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amplitude for tracking engagement with no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Amplitude website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to sign up using email or a social media account. Select the method you prefer for signing up. If you choose to sign up with email, fill in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Click the Sign Up button to complete this step. Next, check your email for a verification message from Amplitude. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Amplitude website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be greeted with an onboarding screen. Follow the prompts to set up your first project. Enter a name for your project and choose the type of app you are working with. Select the appropriate options related to your app's functionality. After completing the project setup, navigate to the Data section in the sidebar. You will now find options for integrating Amplitude with your no-code app. Choose the integration method that best suits your no-code platform. Copy the provided API key or integration details as instructed. In your no-code app, locate the appropriate settings or integrations section. Paste the API key or integration details into the specified field. Save your changes to ensure the integration is successful. Start configuring the events you want to track within Amplitude. Identify key actions users take within your app that you want to measure. Use the event tracking feature to record these actions. Test the integration by performing actions within your app. Monitor the Amplitude dashboard for real-time data and insights. Adjust your tracking strategy based on the analytics you gather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.